Accident Guru here. Your car insurance is very important, and unfortunately, a lot of people don't really know what type of coverages they should have to protect them in case they're involved in an accident. From my experience, a lot of times my clients tell me I've got full coverage and they think they've got the best coverages. And sometimes they may have all the coverages they need, but the limits are very low and it's not adequate enough to protect them in case you're involved in an accident with somebody who was not insured at the time or did not have adequate insurance coverages. So one, my recommendation is purchase adequate uninsured motorist coverage. Sometimes they call that UM coverage or UIM, meaning underinsured motorist coverage. The minimum is $15,000. I don't recommend that. I would say get at least $100,000. It's $100,000 per person, $300,000 per accident. Of course, if you can afford it, it makes sense. And you'll be surprised, the difference in price is very nominal, going from $15,000 to $20,000 to $50,000 or even $100,000. The second coverage that's important to have is medical payments coverage. This protects you and every passenger in your vehicle, or even you as a passenger in somebody else's vehicle, in the event that you're involved in an accident, irrespective of whether you're at fault, irrespective of whether anybody has insurance, and it covers your medical bills up to the amount that you purchase. So if you purchase $5,000 of med pay coverage, it stands for medical payments coverage, then you can get up to $5,000 for your medical bills following an accident. So here's how uninsured motorist coverage plays out. Let's assume somebody does not have insurance coverage. If you purchase the 1530 uninsured motorist coverage, you are protected for $15,000 a person, $30,000 per accident. If you purchased a $100,000 uninsured motorist policy, you're protected for up to $100,000 per person, $300,000 per accident. Let's say if you had passengers. Now, let's assume somebody has insurance, but it's the minimal limits of $15,000 that's required in California. If they have a $15,000 policy and your case is worth $100,000, if you purchase the $100,000 policy, you can get up to another $85,000 from your own insurance. If you found this content valuable, please like and subscribe. Thank you. And remember, for any injury need, if you come to us, we'll make them pay.